What's up everybody and welcome back to another video, and today we are at Storyland and we're gonna choose a story we're gonna try to survive in. So let's just get started. So we're back and I got a new intro. So we're in the sky section. So we're gonna choose a sky story and we're gonna do airplane story. So let's jump in. We're here and there's no one in here. There's only this guy. Maybe let's join another server. Yeah, let's just join another server. So I'm back and some people are starting to join now. So let's just jump in. So let's go to the one with the most people. Okay, everyone's starting to join. Okay, no one's joining. Okay, come on, jump in. Come on, join us. Why are you scared? Okay, we got 5 people. Okay, why is no one joining? Just go to the. I think they're just. Okay, I'm room B5, so let's go to the 5. Where's the 5? Here. B. We need a window seat. Yay. So we're just chilling. I'm just gonna sit here just in case. What is everyone? Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 4539. We are currently flying at an altitude of 30,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. And someone just died. Why are there only 3 people? And there was like 20 people in the lobby. Oh, now please find your seat, and as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. Okay, here it is. Guys, hurry! 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 You're gonna die if you don't. It might just be 2 people. Oh, no, okay, with that, okay. Whee! Oh my gosh. Here we go. Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Okay, let's just eat it. I'm not feeling very well. Oh no, I'm dead. Wait, this sandwich has mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Why me? Why me? Oh no! Quickly, we need to find Kyson 311's baggage for med. Dude, no one's gonna do it. Oh, found. Oh, that's not mine. That's Grizzly. Not mine. Come on, hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, yes. Thank you. Phew, that was a close one. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached an stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. And someone just died.
Bad news, Combo. It turns out the GameStop I went to had another GameStop inventory, so they couldn't sell any of those packs to us. I'm sorry, Combo.
Good night, passengers.
I'll try another store.
Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on, we have to... Guys, look, what is that on the right wing? Oh, no. This is the scary part. You will not survive. Others? Snakes? We're dead. We're dead. Where's the snakes? Are those snakes? You're just sitting down. Guys, there is an open restroom. We'll be safer there. I'm literally right next to the restroom. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be the only one who survives. Yep, someone died. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. I'm gonna die because I'm the only one here. This is scary. What's happening? Oh, okay. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. I'm dead. Power is back up. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Your attention, passengers, I have good news and bad news. The good news is the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop from over your seats. Take one quick. Oh, there's one. Come on, come on. I got one. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. Dude, this This is scary. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. What was that? Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god. What is this? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. What are we going to do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. If we find something sharp to cut the cable, we might be able to save Kaisen 311. Let's go. Where can we find this? Probably a scissor. Oh, right here. I found a pair of scissors. Which cable should I cut? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Insy, witty, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Boys out, you all out. I will cut the red cable. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm safe. I'm safe. We did it. Yay. This it? Did I beat the... Okay, I did not beat the game. Do we still have to run away from that monster? We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them, check if everything is okay. Let's see. It's locked. Where are they? No. Oh, I found them. I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly get to the captain room. This is scary. Yes. It's locked. I'm dead. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. This door needs a code. We find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. Where's the code? Can I open anything? Yeah? I'm making a video. Is mommy there? Yeah, maybe I should just end the video here. I'm a little scared. So guys, I'm scared. I'm done. So see you later. I can't get inside the door. Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with a friend. And turn on that bell. Goodbye.